Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I'm going to show you how to make oatmeal bread with an optional strudel topping. So let me show you how it's done. So first I'm going to show you the strudel topping. Alright, so first thing I did was I took 1/4 cup of butter, and it should be at room temperature. Mine was not quite there. It was soft, but not as soft as I wanted it to be. So I kind of worked that out first. Alright, now once you get that done, you want to add a 1/2 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of oats, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And then you want to add just a pinch of salt. Now once you have all your ingredients together, you want to cut them in until they are well blended and pretty much uniform. So you'll see you'll have uniform sized crumbs. So this does take a few minutes, but take your time on this so you can have the perfect strudel. Alright, the next part I'm going to demonstrate for you is the oatmeal bread part itself. So with that, you're going to take a large bowl and you're going to add 1 cup of oats, 2 cups of flour, 2 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now you're going to blend this together until all the dry ingredients are well incorporated. Alright, now in a small bowl, you're going to place 2 eggs, 1/4 of a cup of oil. Now I put my oil in the cup first because the next item I'm going to add is 1/4 cup of honey. And what that oil does is it lubricates the cup, and you'll see in just a moment how all the honey will come out. So there goes my honey. So you need 1/4 cup of honey. And I got a little overzealous. I got just a little bit extra there. You see it kind of pouring over, but it'll be okay. But look how clean the cup is. So you know you have all your honey that goes in the recipe and not sticking to the cup. And watch, see? Very clean. Alright, now we're going to mix those two ingredients up, and then I'll end up adding my butter in here. Alright, so let me add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And then we're going to mix these ingredients up pretty good before we add those to the dry ingredients. Alright, so let's go ahead and add those to the dry ingredients. Then we're going to add the 1 cup of milk. Now you want to mix this together just until everything is moistened. You don't want to over mix this, or you'll get gluten and then you'll have a tough piece of bread that won't taste as good. And that's always the key when you're making these quick breads. Once everything is mixed, you want to add that to a pan that has been greased and floured. And once you have it in the pan, you want to add your streusel topping. And once the streusel topping is on, you'll put that in a oven at 350 degrees for somewhere around 35 to 45 minutes. You could actually use a loaf pan. If you do use a loaf pan, it may take a little bit longer to cook, maybe an additional 10 minutes. But I chose to do a cake pan because at the moment I don't have a pan. Alright, so here is my completed oatmeal bread. So you can see the crumb topping. Alright, so let me cut some nice little wedges. So there's my bread. And see how soft and spongy it is? I'm going to give you a close-up of the crumb here. There's a nice crumb there. Doesn't that look good? So it's slightly sweet, but not too sweet. This goes well with coffee or tea and or whatever beverage you like. So thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and stay around and watch some of my playlists. Thank you for stopping by.